Hi, so this is like 2 a.m. I'm so tired. I worked entire day. Still I can't sleep. I thought of doing some makeup. Okay, so first I have this nail polish from My Glam. This is super liquidy. I don't like it. This is really bad. Let me try once more. Maybe I did apply too much. Not too runny, not too thick, just perfect. I don't feel good, not wearing nothing like not wearing nothing. I mean, not wearing a lip tint. I don't feel like myself. What the? So I bought this from Nykaa. This is Innisfree lip oil something tint, and it is not supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this. But it's just came out. This is K Beauty. So this is their peach corrector, and I learned from somewhere that you can apply this all over your face, especially the color peach. Should I take more, or I have already taken like enough or more than enough? Texture is pretty nice, spreading very easily, but is it doing anything for my skin? Sachi bolo, do you see any difference this side and this side? It looks a little bit brighter and dewy. Actually, I have another primer. Let me show you. This is from Flower Beauty, their illuminating primer. I'm gonna put this on this side just to see which one works better. It has thick texture, Flower Beauty one. Definitely it looks way more dewy and brighter, and I think it's working better on my pores. I'm spreading the lip tint. Shouldn't have worn it. My teeth are red. Let me remove this. I'm not liking it anymore. Told you it's gonna leave like tint behind, see? But yeah, this side looks better. But one thing, I can see peeling, like this is peeling a bit. I mean, this side is not peeling, but this side is peeling a bit. But if you ask me to choose this one or this one, I would go for a better one. I'll look for a better primer, to be very honest. Alright, so I bought this beauty. So this is so brow. Okay, let's do it this one first. No, it's working. See, not the best fluffy one, but it is definitely looking fluffy in a weird way. Oh god. This is working, this is working, this is working, this is working, this is working. Tata, this is working. This is working, this worked, see. Look at it. Oh. I look like a witch. With like eyebrows like this, What's wrong with me? What the hell is this? Red teeth. Witch like eyebrows. What's up with me? I was using minimalist hair growth serum to grow my eyebrows. I think after like tonight it's gonna fall. Whatever eyebrows that came out after using the serum is gonna go, and I don't blame the serum because the amount of soap I have applied. And for this, I look funny, and it's not sticking as well. Like, you know, for some time it's like this, then it's going like this. Let me do it like one last time. All the makeup artists who are cursing at me by watching my video, I understand you. I would do the same if I were you. मेकअप करना नहीं आती तो करती क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लगता है. क्या करे? Did I just say I won't do it anymore? Stop. Stop. This is satisfying. I don't know for what. Feels good. Stop, Shamapti. Stop. Stop. I'll watch more tutorials, then I'm gonna do this again. But this is definitely not it. Not it. I bought this peach eyeshadow because I have been watching all these tutorials where people are wearing like peach makeup. I wanted one. Let me go in with this brush. Okay, it matches with my dress, see? This is pretty pigmented. Oh god, I like it. I like it, the color. But let me tell you one thing. I do not know what to do next. I'm gonna leave it like this. This is pretty. Okay. So 5-star to this Miss Claire eyeshadow 656. So next I have this Reneé lip gloss. It looks super cute to me, so I bought this. Let me see how it looks. This is pretty. It matches with my eyeshadow. This is really pretty. Love it. It has glitters, golden glitters, but it's not that visible. I look weird. Okay, let me put on some eyeliner. Not bad for my standard. Okay, I have this other nail polish. This is from Bella Hoste. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's good. The shade name is 59 GL. Some mascara. Now I'm gonna put like plenty of blush. Look at the rose. This day I see people put like a blush on their nose. I mean, like this. They look so cute and I look so horrendous. Can't believe. Can you get the like better picture right now? Oh god, this is this has been like fun. Like really fun. I just hope I don't break out, you know. Okay, now putting on some setting powder from K Beauty to minimize this. This is the shade Latte. No, Almond. Hashtag makeup that cares. Care with a K. When Nykaa started doing this Karan Johar thing, like, you know, putting K everywhere. This. I just want to look nice. Okay, now I'm trying this highlighter from the Balm. It is their Bonnie Dew highlighter. Manizer. What is Manizer? I don't know. Now I'm gonna blend it fast. That is actually very good. It gives very natural glow. See, I couldn't apply this properly like other stuff, but it is a good thing. If you are good at it, at makeup, man, it's gonna work for you. If you're into like subtle makeup, only then. Highlighter here. Maybe here as well. What do you think? No, not a good idea it was. No, actually it looks pretty. See? I think I'm getting there somewhere. चलो मन रखने के लिए बोल दो, it's better. Okay, I'm gonna put some highlighter here. Tata's hair. It's not looking good. Now? Now? I guess I really suck at makeup. So, yeah, it's now official, like I suck at makeup. I really love this one Reneé lip gloss. It is so pretty, so pretty. I mean, this is the only like redemption of this look, whatever that is. See the color, and even this one is very pretty. Smells really bad, like really bad. Now I'm gonna put on some perfume and pretend that I'm going somewhere. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, this little thing. I do this sometimes just to make myself feel better. I just wake up. I used to do this when I was a kid, like putting on nail polish, then lipstick. Just made me feel good, you know. And yeah, I feel better. I think that's the entire point, right? Makeup should make you feel better. Okay, I need to wash it off now. So yeah, see you very soon and take care. Bye bye. Oh my god. See, here I look way better, like what lights can do.